Okay guys, today I'm going to be cleaning out my mower deck, which you currently can't see my mower right now, but this is what it looks like. It's just a John Deere L108 automatic hydrostatic, 18.5 horsepower, single cylinder. Yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning that out today. So I'm gonna set you guys down right here, pull it out over there. I'm gonna do it right there because it's probably gonna be really dirty. This thing out, it basically lifts it up. I'm gonna get my creeper. Let's do this. I'm gonna put my creeper right there. Attempt this at trying to put my mower under here. Oh, I moved you. Let's build it there. Now we just gotta jack it up. Now go up a little bit higher so I can get under it. And yes, there is safety on this, so when I do relieve the pressure, I can't twist it down any more. That's as far as it'll go. Now let's just see how dirty it is under here. Yes. Oh my God, that is dirty. And the blades need sharpened. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Oh no, I dropped my phone. So see,